Hi, my name is Lucy and I'm 11 years old and I want to make my favorite recipe. I want to do a pie. I need 4 eggs, a glass of milk, a half glass of oil, 200 grams of flour, 200 grams of sugar, a packet of baking powder, 2 packets of soap, and lemon zest. First, you have to wash your hands. Then you have to mix all the ingredients in a bowl and the flour little by little. The next step is you have to put the mix in a tray. And now you have to bake it in half an hour at 20 degrees. And here is the pie, ready to eat it.